Hey everyone, are you ready to build a stunning website without coding? Well, the secret weapon is Elementor. In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and activate Elementor in just few minutes. Whether you want the free version or Elementor Pro, I have got you covered. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard, head over to plugins, and uh, add new. In the search bar, type Elementor. Once you see it, just click Install Now and then hit Activate. Boom! Elementor is now installed and you are ready to design your website like a pro. Alright, now let's test it out. First, go to Pages, add new page. We need to give it a title. First, we need to close this section and I will give it a name like digital marketing. Yeah. Now we need to go to edit with Elementor. Yeah. Here. Welcome to the drag and drop magic. Now you can add text, images, buttons, and even animations. Hence, no coding needed. And that's it. Now you are all set to build an amazing website with Elementor. So, which Elementor feature are you excited to try? Tell me in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any web design tips. I will see you in the next one. Happy design!